What's up, fancy hairdressers? I'm going to show you guys a cut that I've been doing a lot lately. I'm calling it an A-line lob. It's like kind of a long bob that drops a little bit in the front. We're going to add some invisible layering and a soft fringe in the front. So let's get started. Do her fringe. We're going to start in the very center with a little mini triangle. We're going to sort of get a visual for where we want this to fall. We're going to use the inside of our scissor to come in and cut as we come down, like that. Now we have our fringe in, we're going to start our layer, and we're going to start in the back and work from shorter to longer, the same as we did for our perimeter line. I'm going to lift this straight up to the ceiling, and we're going to start taking a little bit of this corner off at the top. We'll do that in a soft way. So we have our shape in, and for some people you could be done right now, but she has a lot of hair and we want to put those final touches on it. So we're going to go through with some texturizing techniques to remove weight and soften the shape a little bit. Enjoyed this technique, go try it out, tag me, tag Goldwell, and yeah, thanks for watching.